Hey guys, are you trying to get approved for some nice Chase credit cards like the Chase Slate Edge that's got a $0 annual fee with 0% intro APR for 18 months? If so, stay tuned because in today's video, I'm going to be sharing some tips, tricks, and methods that you guys can utilize to increase your chances of getting approved for some of these premium Chase cards. All right, guys? Hey guys, I'm Alan T from creditrepairhacking.com, and if you guys don't know my story, previously I struggled with credit. My score was like a 546, but as my buddy Luke Benmore said, I studied, bro. So I learned a few methods, tips, and tricks, and I shot my score up to 735. So at the end of the day, guys, if I did it, you guys can do it too. And in today's short, quick video, I'm going to be sharing some tips that you guys can utilize to get approved for some of these higher Chase credit cards. All right, guys. Now, the first thing that you guys are going to want to know about Chase is that they are a pretty big bank, but they are super picky as well. So they actually have this thing called the Chase 5 for 24 rule. And what the 5 for 24 rule states is that if you have opened up 5 or more credit cards from any issuer in the past 24 months, you will be automatically denied for any Chase credit card products. So guys, I'm going to say that one more time. If you have opened up 5 or more credit cards from any issuer, whether that's Capital One, Credit One, First Premier, any issuer in the past 24 months, you will be automatically denied for any Chase credit card products. Now, why is that? That's just their rule, guys. You know, it's like Chase, they're pretty picky, and I think that they want to see that you don't really need the money. You guys know what I'm saying? Like financial institutions, credit card companies, they love to lend money to people that don't need the money. All right. So if you got all these inquiries on your accounts, if it looks like you're shopping around for credit too frequently, they're going to automatically deny you. So guys, keep that in mind before you waste a potential inquiry on Chase. Make sure you haven't, opened up 5 or more in the past 24 months. Now, if you guys are good on that, there's another trick, there's another method that I would recommend, and that method is starting a relationship with Chase, guys. Now, I'm going to put a link in the YouTube description below. Now, it is going to be an affiliate link, but when you click on that page, you're going to land on this page right here, guys. All right, and it's going to say your friend Alan has referred you. Now, when you use this page to open an account, you get a $300 bonus if you make a direct deposit totaling $500 or more within 90 days of enrolling. But you have to enroll by clicking the link and clicking open an account right here, guys. All right, and I will also get a nice small bonus as well. That's going to help support the channel. So guys, at the end of the day, one of the best ways to get approved for a Chase credit card is by having like a Chase checking account, because that's going to show them that you're in the system, that you're like a customer, right? Then you could walk in the bank, you could apply online, and they would be like, all right, this guy John has been a customer of ours. He's had a checking account for the past 6 months. We see he's making regular direct deposits. He works at Amazon or Walmart or Target. And John gets paid every Friday on time. John never overdrafted. We can trust this guy we can trust him with a high level credit card because he's been with us, he's shown us activity, and he's never given us a single issue. So guys, that's how banks work, that's how the world works. You guys got to start to build these relationships with these big institutions. And Chase, as you guys can see, they have a number of credit cards right here, guys. Some of these best ones are going to be called like the Chase Sapphire Preferred or the Chase Sapphire Reserve. These ones are some high-end credit cards, all right? And a lot of these ones, they can come with some big boy limits. I'm talking 10, 15, even 25,000 per card. So imagine getting just 4 of these cards, right? And you got a good credit profile, you got a good credit mix, all that. You could set yourself up for $100,000 in funding potentially if you know what you're doing, got the right profile and all that. But it does start with knowing this information. It starts with knowing about the 5 for 24 rule. It starts with having a relationship with them. You guys know what I'm saying? So guys, at the end of the day, Chase, they're pretty picky. You're probably going to need like a 680, 690 score for most of those cards. And if you're struggling to get a 680 or a 690, what you guys can do is you guys can dissect your credit profile, figure out what's causing you to be at that score, and then boost it from there, right? Let's say you were carrying a high balance on a lot of cards. You guys could get approved for kickoff, right? There's going to be a link for Kickoff in the YouTube description below. I personally use Kickoff myself. I pay like $35 a month for it, but it posts a $3,500 trade line on my credit report, which lowers, that utilization by $3,500. So guys, I think it's worth it to use Kickoff and all those other platforms. Kickoff and Ava, those are my two favorites. But yeah, guys, at the end of the day, building a relationship with Chase, getting started just by getting a Chase checking account, as you guys can see, all you guys have to do is click the link over here. You're going to type in your first name, your last name, all that good stuff. If you deposit $500 or more within 90 days, guys, they're going to hook you up with that extra $300 bonus. It's going to automatically apply in your account. As you guys see how easy it is, guys. Step 1, open the account. Make direct deposit totaling $500 or more within 90 days. You're going to receive your new checking account bonus within 15 days. So guys, that's a free $300 for you guys. And from there, once you have that $300, you can do whatever you want with it. You could withdraw it, you could put it in a savings account. You could leave it in your checking account. You could do anything you want with it. It's a free $300. And then from there, guys, you've established a relationship with Chase. Then you can go back to their website. Once you do this, guys, once you sign up for a Chase checking account, I'll give it about 3 to 4 months. Give them some activity. Give them some direct deposits. Show these guys a couple transactions, right? Next thing you know, you're going to want to go to their website and boom, click apply now to the credit card that you want. Make sure you read all the terms and all that. Like this one. This one's got a $99 annual fee. So this one's $149. So you may want to skip a few of these and just go for the ones that are free over here. As you guys can see, the Chase Slate Edge, that one's going to be a $0 annual fee. This one is $0 annual fee. Chase Freedom Rise, this one's $0 annual fee. So there's multiple cards. As you guys can see, there's a fourth card right here. So the Chase Freedom Unlimited, $0 annual fee. The Chase Freedom Flex, $0 annual fee. The Chase Freedom Rise, $0 annual fee. The Chase Slate Edge, $0 annual fee. Guys, imagine getting approved for 4 of these cards. Each one of them gives you a 10G limit. Now you got $40,000 of available credit. Now your life is looking a little bit better. Let's say your roof leaks or your car transmission gives out. You have options, right? You have the funds to get the job fixed. So at the end of the day, guys, credit can be like a pit bull. You know what I'm saying? If you take care of it, it can take care of you. But if you're not taking care of it, it can really bite you in the butt. So guys, do the right thing, guys. Develop a relationship with Chase. Click that link right now, guys. It's gonna take you to the website. It's gonna say your friend Alan has referred you. If it doesn't say your friend Alan has referred you, then you may have not clicked the right link. So come back to the video. I'm gonna put the link as the very first link in the YouTube description. You're gonna click on it. You're gonna open the account. You're gonna fund it with at least 500 or more within 90 days. And after you guys do that, as you guys can see, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. You will get your $300 bonus within 15 days, guys, all right? So, yeah, guys, take advantage of this offer. When I signed up for Chase, I'll be honest with you guys, I only got like a $200 bonus. I think it was $200 or $250. So Chase is being aggressive now. They're bumping this thing up to $300. I don't know how much longer they're going to do this for. So guys, take advantage of this right now. Building a relationship with the bank is one of the best things that you guys can do. It's kind of like planting a tree. If you wanted a tree in front of your house, when is the best time to plant a tree? It's 5 years ago, right? When is the next best time? It's right now. So you guys got to take action. You got to jump on this opportunity. This offer could change. It could go down to 250. It could go down to 200, or it could go up. Who knows, right? I don't want you guys to think I'm doing fake urgency and all that, but opportunities and all that, these are like limited time offers, like according to like the banks and all that. So guys, click the link, sign up, fund your account. From there, give it about 90 days, 3 months. And then the first credit card that I would apply for would be the Slate Edge credit card. All right, guys? It's got 0 annual fee, 0% APR for 18 months. Guys, you can do a lot with this card, right? So let's say you're into like crypto and stuff and you want to do some crypto mining. You could get approved for this card. Let's say you get a nice limit. You buy yourself a Bitcoin crypto miner and now you're mining Bitcoin and Bitcoin goes up in price. Next thing you know, you're sitting on some pretty good money. So guys, the opportunities are endless. You are limited by your creativity and your commitment and your consistency. But if you're creative, committed, and consistent, You guys can achieve it all. All right, guys, like, comment, subscribe. More videos coming soon.